Wondering if Brinklove.shop is a real deal or just another sketchy online store? Let's take a closer look and break down what we found. Quick disclaimer before we begin: everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Now, here's the catch. On Trustpilot, Brinklove.shop has only one review with a 2-star rating. That's definitely not a good sign, especially for a store claiming to have tons of happy customers. Adding to the concerns, there doesn't seem to be a strong online presence outside of that. No solid social media engagement, no detailed customer reviews, and a very little third-party validation. For a site trying to sell in volume, that's a bit concerning. So is Brinklove.shop a scam? It's hard to say for sure, but based on the lack of verified feedback and super low rating, we'd say it's better to stay cautious. There's just not enough evidence to confidently trust this site. If a deal looks too good to be true, it probably is. Have you bought something from Brinklove.shop? Share your experience in the comments and let us know how it went. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more real talk reviews.